Hi guys, where we at?
We're Pop Century Resort.
Pop Century. We made it.
Originally, there was going to be another set of hotels
Yes.
called the Legendary here.
Mr. Lecturer.
But since
I know, we don't want to get run over.
but since the
So we are here at Disney. Finally.
but since the events of 9/11,
I know.
wait, where's the Skyway station? Where's the?
Alright, let's go to the crosswalk over here. Look at that big bus. So we got the 1950s, 60s, 70s, 80s, that's me, and the 90s. Yeah, my princess, 1980s. Alright, so we're going to do the online check-in and then we'll be back. So let's see, where you see the online check-in? Look for the online check-in. Is there an online registration check-in?
It would be this line right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just get in this line right here, buddy.
Okay.
So this is the online one?
Right here.
Right here? Nice. Wow. What do you think? You think they're in here? Uh-oh. So I got my happy birthday ticket. Hey, let's go eat, bud. I don't see him. I don't know. Oh, like in Odaiba, in Akihabara. This one's kind of tall. Joy, that's your favorite game. What's that? That's my choo-choo train. Huh?
It's like being made by true.
Alright, let's go. Yeah, me too. It's almost lunchtime. And we haven't ate in a long time.
You ate too much rye last night.
I ate too much bread?
Yeah.
Hey. Where's Mason? Mason, let's go. Hey, we got a room now. So let's go drop our suitcases off and go to the park. Too far. Where's Mason? Go get Mason. Go get your brother. Tell him to hurry up. Here we are. Our first big day. Here's our room. It's nice. Very nice. We're staying at Pop Century. This axe, yeah. Yes. Stomach still hurts. Alright.
I was saying, I told my belly, I was saying, I ate too much, sorry, but he was saying, but it's not working.
Yeah, well, you can't tell your belly sorry.
You can't, you still can't.
Yeah, but you'll take some medicine and you'll probably feel better. Get this bed down so you can rest. So here's what's cool about this. Here we go. Ooh, so boy. And so now I have two beds. Yes, drink water, boys. Lots of water. So, Mason, did you have a good day?
Yes.
Are you already fun day? Mama, great day?
Yes.
Alright, day 1 in the books. See you tomorrow, Pluto. Let's go to sleep. Mickey, go to sleep.